stabilization is one of the key missing links that most people have when it comes to shoulder pain, right? They don't have the stability, which ultimately means control of the joint as it goes through different positions, okay? So this is an easy way to start working on some of that stability. This is too short, it's too close, so I'm gonna shorten it. We're gonna do an internal rotation, right? So this would be external rotation. Basically, I'm trying to just hold this 90-degree position here, right? So I'm having to utilize everything to prevent that motion, and I'm just going to reach up overhead, back down, reach up overhead, back down, okay? That's it. There shouldn't be any pinching in the top of the shoulder. I'm thinking about reaching long through the arm. I'm not pulling shoulder blade down and back. I'm trying to extend that arm, and then I'm gonna bring it right back down to where we started.